Look at my eyebrows. Let me see what you guys got. Whoa. You like this one? No. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Brian, and we are the
Elfish family.
And today we are gonna go meet somebody special. Huh, Nolan?
Yeah.
We got this guy. Say hi, Nixon. Nixon. Oh, he being shy. He being shy. We got Yara right here. Say hi, babe. And we got Nathan always asleep. Look at him. So we're here at the Grove. It's a beautiful place where you can shop. They got movie theaters. They got, look at that, October's very own store. They got a car right here. Someone just left it right there, like abandoned. What's going on? Right now we're gonna go meet up with the sister-in-law because we got the cousins over here, Nolan. Cousins are here. Aiden and Ryan are here. So we're gonna go to a special house to meet special someone not right now, but we have our appointment at 9:20 to meet special someone in there. Nixon, are you excited? Yeah. Look, Nixon, let's go check out the snow. Look at the snow, Nixon. You like the snow, baby? You like the snow? Look at the snow. How's the snow, Nolan? You gotta wake this guy up. Look, Nixon. Grab it, grab it. Grab it, it's falling. Nolan's busy trying to step all over it. Are you stepping on it, Nolan? Nathan's asleep. We gotta wake him up. Look at your hair, babe. You got everywhere. Look at my eyebrows. You like it? Good morning. Look at the snow. It's snowing in LA. Nathan. So here's Aiden. Here's Ryan. And here's, look at her. Look at her. How are you guys? Whoa, you brought a wallet full of money.
I got 60.
Wow, $16. All right, we got our wagon back. Someone had our wagon over here. So much sister love. Yeah, right. Only for the video. Wow. They got Santa Claus with the reindeers up there. Look at the big Christmas tree over there. Then they got the train. So, as you walk around here, you got MC right there. You can smell all of the popcorn. It smells so good. I ain't gonna lie, I love to go to the theaters. It's a lot of fun. To me, it's a relaxing vibe, you know? You go get your popcorn, get your chicken and all that. In the other house over there, but he's not ready for us yet, okay? In case you guys ever want to get on a train for Christmas, look at this. Sheesh, goes all the way back there. Let me see what you guys got. Let me see what you guys got. Whoa. You got ice cream, Nathan? Let me see what you got, Aiden. What you got?
A pretzel.
Ooh, a pretzel. And I got me a little shake right here. Hey, let's go take a picture real fast. Look, babe, you should get one of these for the window, babe. The Pokemon. Yeah. Are these a Baby Yoda? Look at the Baby Yoda's nice.
I am looking for some new ones, but not no Pokemon. I already know.
Look, Nolan, they're right here.
First of all, name me one, not buy fruit.
Huh?
Name one. I know.
Oh my gosh.
No.
Squirtle, Charmander, Pikachu.
What about like that, like a little sand? But is that gonna is it good?
Yeah, this is not real,
Is
girl.
it better going to
It's from China. It's from China.
I think
It's from China. It's from China. Who's relaxing right here? So now we're gonna visit the farmer's market. See what they got, what kind of snacks they got. I'm not gonna lie, walking around here is a lot of food, everything. Look, check it out. Look at the burgers, babe. That looks good, huh? All the food looks good. We just ate some panda before this, but I don't know, I kind of regret it now. You can eat right here, some cheeseburgers. They got sushi. They got everything out here. Nixon, you want cheeseburger? Yeah. I'm a what, you guys? What?
Yeah, poo poo.
Hey. Be nice, all of you guys. What, baby? You like the snowman? Say hi. Look at the gifts that Santa left right here for somebody. So we got here a little late, so we couldn't enjoy the food out here, but we got these cheeseburgers from this place. And to be honest, they were not good. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, they were not good. Look who's enjoying the burger though and the fries, Mr. Nixon. Let's see your reaction to the lemonade, babe. Take a sip. She's under pressure. She don't like it though. It's too sour. It's like a margarita, huh, babe? What up? What do you think about the lemonade? It's nasty. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Dance, Nathan. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Go, Nixon.
Ooh, 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 ooh. So right now we came into Barnes and Noble. They got the Jack section. Yeah.
I only had that one up there.
Yeah, we have this one at the house. Wow, that's a cool book.
I want to buy one.
What do you want, baby?
Yeah.
You want Jack? Oh my God, how much is it? $24.99, mister. Oh, it's for money? Look, they have the new Transformers with 20 stickers. Look, 20 stickers, Nathan. You like this one? No. Look at this chicken. Look, Nixon. Say hi. Hi, quack, quack, quack. It's a puppet. What's your name, mister? What's your name? No. That's not nice. What's up, guys? Make sure you guys like and subscribe. What's your name, mister? Hey, don't grab my chicken legs. What's your name, mister? What's your name? What's your name? Let me see what you got, Nolan. Ooh, Peppa Pig with coloring. Let me see what you got, Aiden.
I got Jack.
What does it have inside?
And then
Ooh,
inside it has
cool.
toys and it has a poster.
Wow.
And it has a story.
Wow, let me see, Nathan, what you're gonna get.
He got the same thing.
Ooh, Jack, open it so you can see inside. Wow, look at the toys. So now the moment we all been waiting for. We're making line for the house. Go with Santa. Ho ho ho.
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, he's dancing. Bye, bye, bye. Tell him you like Michael Jackson?
Michael Jackson, yes. Very good.
And then we have the little baby.
This guy right here on Santa's lap.
There you go. Look. So we just got done with our photos here with Santa Claus. Cool experience here at the Grove. We'll show you guys the photos right here, right now. We took one, we took two, and then we got three right here of the Jones. Right here, they took a photo with Santa too, so they all had fun. That's gonna be the end of the video. If you guys enjoy these type of videos, make sure you guys give us
Subscribe.
and check out our videos. Say, check out our videos.